Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the importance of having a college degree. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Having a college degree can be highly valuable for several reasons. Number one, increased earning potential. On average, individuals with a college degree tend to earn higher salaries than those without one. This higher earning potential can lead to greater financial stability and security throughout one's career. Number two, expanded career opportunities. Many professions and industries require a college degree as minimum qualification. Having a college degree can open doors to a wider range of job opportunities and career paths. 3. Specialized knowledge and skills. College education provides in-depth knowledge and specialized skills in a chosen field of study. This expertise can make graduates more competitive and capable in their careers. Number 4. Personal growth and development. College isn't just about academics. It also a time for personal growth and development. It encourages critical thinking, problem-solving, communication skills, and independence. Number 5. Networking opportunities. College provides an environment where you can build a professional network. Interacting with professors, classmates, and alumni can lead to valuable connections in future job opportunities. Number 6. Access to resources. College campuses offer a wide range of resources including libraries, research facilities, laboratories, and expert faculty. These resources can enhance the learning experience and support academic and professional growth. Number 7. Demonstrated commitment. Earning a college degree demonstrates commitment, discipline, and the ability to set and achieve long-term goals. These qualities are often highly regarded by employers. Number 8. Adaptability. College education often fosters adaptability and the ability to learn new skills and concepts. This adaptability can be valuable in an ever-changing job market. Number 9. Personal fulfillment. Pursuing a degree in the field of interest can bring personal fulfillment in a sense of accomplishment. Many people find that studying something they are passionate about adds meaning to their lives. Number 10. Global perspective. College education can provide exposure to diverse cultures, ideas, and perspectives. This global perspective can be essential in today's interconnected world. Number 11. Lifelong learning. A college education instills a love for learning that can extend beyond graduation. It encourages individuals to continue learning throughout their lives, staying updated in their fields. Number 12. Health benefits. Studies have shown that individuals with higher education levels tend to have a better physical and mental health, leading to an improved quality of life. While a college degree offers numerous benefits, it's essential to recognize that success in career fulfillment can also be achieved through other pathways such as vocational training, apprenticeships, entrepreneurship, or work experience. The importance of a college degree may vary depending on individual goals, career aspirations, and circumstances. Ultimately, the decision to pursue a degree should align with one's unique circumstances and objectives. Okay guys, so that's it. Now my report on the importance of having a college degree. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.